Are you fed up with your current brokerage, Robinhood, and want to transfer all of your stocks and portfolio into the WeBull trading account? In this video, I'm going to show you how simple it is to transfer all of your stocks, cash, and even options from your old brokerage into your WeBull account. This video is going to work for all the different platforms you see up on the screen right now, and it's super easy to initiate the transfer and only takes a few minutes to do so. I've personally been using WeBull for the last year or so, and I'm a huge fan of it. I've been saying for the last year I prefer it over Robinhood, and that was way before Robinhood was restricting trades for certain stocks. You'll have to have a WeBull account already open in order to transfer your stocks and portfolio from one brokerage, say such as Robinhood, into WeBull. If you don't already have an account open, no worries at all, I got you guys covered. I have a full separate video walking you through step by step on how to open up a WeBull account and how to get the best promotion out there with 4 free stocks that can be valued all the way up to $3,700. If you're interested in the video, there's going to be a link down below. Or if you just want to sign up for the app already in WeBull and get the 4 free stocks, there's going to be a link to that below in the comments and description as well. So let's not waste any more time and show you guys how simple it is to transfer. I have my phone right here, and in this example, I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to transfer from Robinhood into your WeBull account. So you can see my account right here. You're just going to click on the bottom right hand corner right there, the little guy. And then from there, you just go to your settings. And then you're going to click account information, and you just want to get your account number. So of course, every platform is going to be different. So whether it's like Charles Schwab or TD Ameritrade, you're just going to want your account number. So once you have your account number from the brokerage you're transferring it from, you just want to go into your WeBull app. Like I said, if you don't already have an account signed up, use the link down below to get 4 free stocks. But assuming you already have the account set up, you just want to go to your main screen. So right here, I have 2 different accounts. So say for example, I wanted to transfer the stocks from Robinhood into my individual account and not my Roth IRA. I would click on the first one. And then from there, you're going to click transfer. It's a little yellow icon midway down the screen. And then there's different deposit, withdrawal, transfer stocks into WeBull. So that's exactly what we want to do, transfer stocks into WeBull. Click on that. So there's just some fine print right here, and it's basically saying it has to be a US stock, ETF, or ADR. And WeBull also supports individual cash, margin accounts, traditional IRAs, Roth IRAs, rollover IRAs, and it's, really simple. I personally done this in the past. I transferred my Roth IRA from Vanguard into WeBull, and it was super easy. But for this example, we're just doing individual cash account from Robinhood. For right here, you see all the different brokers, and there's quite a bit. So of course, we're going to use Robinhood. And then from here, we're just going to enter in some simple information about our Robinhood account. So we're going to choose individual account. The name is automatically entered from Robinhood, so you can't edit it. After that, you're going to want to put in your delivery account number. And this is the account number that we got from whatever broker that you're using. So it's going to be the one we got from Robinhood. You just want to put it in there. Choose the type. You can do a full transfer or a partial. So if you do full, and then it's really cool, you could also transfer in your options. So it's just not your stocks and cash. You could also do options. I have a few right now. Are you transferring long calls? Long puts? Yes. Transferring spread strategy? No. Naked short position? No. Next up is mutual funds. Are you transferring in any mutual fund holdings? No. Then down below, just saying that you acknowledge there's a $75 fee when transferring. WeBull actually has an awesome promotion going on right now. If you have more than $2,000 in the account that you're transferring into your WeBull account, they will actually cover the $75. And I gotta say, WeBull has a lot of promotions all the time, a lot of free ways to get stocks, and like I said, a really big fan, especially over Robinhood. And then also just acknowledging that you have to have more than $500 in your account. If you have less than $500, you can't actually transfer your account into WeBull. And then finally, just click Submit Stock Transfer Request. Another thing to note, this process only takes about a minute or so to initiate the transfer, but it does unfortunately take a few days for the transfer to actually go through and to take the stocks from whatever broker that you're using into your WeBull account. So please take that into account. So I know I'm going to get comments on why would you want to transfer your stocks from a current broker into your WeBull account. First off, with everything that's happening nowadays, people are just fed up with their current brokerage, and it's completely understandable why they want to switch it up to a new one. The second reason why you might want to transfer your stocks is if you sell it, say in Robinhood, and then just buy, even if you were to buy at the same price in WeBull, that would actually cause you to owe taxes on it if you have capital gains on your stocks. Especially, it could be a really high tax, so in order to defer paying those taxes, you could just do the transfer. A transfer isn't selling, so transferring your stocks into WeBull is not going to make you owe any taxes. Lastly, I think it's important to have multiple places for your investing account. Say for example, one brokerage limits what you could trade or goes bankrupt. I think it's always good to have multiple options. If you enjoyed this video and it helped you out, make sure to smash that thumbs up button and also share it with a friend. If you like making money, make sure to check out my channel for more videos. Well, this is Kevin, your financial tutor, signing off. Peace.